Last concept of this unit is spheres. So today we're going to talk about the surface area of a sphere. And that formula there, it's pretty straightforward. It is 4 pi. So surface area S is 4 pi times the radius square. So we had a sphere, which is it's a ball. It's a ball. This here being the radius. The surface area is the thing that wraps around the ball. So as I always like to think of surface area as wrapping paper. Next, the volume is V equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Now the volume is if you took that ball with that same radius and then you filled it all up. Let's say you filled it up with air, any substance, or with water. You filled it all up. That would be the volume. So the volume is filling the entire thing up on the inside, where a surface area is just wrapping on the outside. So let's do both. Let's find the surface area and the volume for each one of these spheres. So let's look at number 1. The radius is 7. So that's very straightforward. So the surface area is 4 pi times 7 squared. That gives us 616 feet squared for the surface area. The volume is 4/3 pi times 7 cubed. That gives us 1,437 feet cubed of units on the inside. Number 2, this is 10, the diameter 10. So that means the radius is 5. So the surface area is 4 times pi times 5 squared. That gives me 314 feet squared. The volume is 4/3 times pi times 5 cubed. Multiply all that through. It should give you 524 feet cubed. And then finally, number 3, this gives us the circumference. C is circumference. We need to find the radius. So 2 pi r is the formula for circumference. It equals 20 pi, which they gave us over here. So 20 pi, we need to solve for r, so we'll divide by 2 pi to both sides. So r is about 10, so the radius is 10. Plug that into our formulas. So the surface area is 4 times pi times 10 squared. Gives us about 1,257 meters squared. Volume is 4/3. Ooh, that didn't come out very well. 4/3 times pi times 10 cubed, and that is 4,189 meters cubed.